Want to connect your Xbox Series X to your Toshiba Fire TV? Here's how to connect your Xbox console properly and adjust its settings so that you can play games lag-free at 4K 120 FPS. First of all, we'll need to connect the HDMI and the power cable to our console. And for the HDMI cable, you should always stick to the cable that's provided, which is ultra high speed, or else you may not be able to get 4K or 120 FPS. After connecting the HDMI to the console, connect the other end to your TV's HDMI port. And if you don't have an HDMI audio device connected, you can plug the cable into the HDMI eARC port for faster data transfer. After that, let's go ahead and connect the console to power, then you can go ahead and turn on your Xbox controller. Now you'll need to go to the HDMI input option and choose the HDMI that you have plugged your Xbox into, which should be highlighted. Now before jumping into games, what you must do is turn on game mode and low latency. For this, while you're on your Xbox, press the settings button on your remote, go to picture, and first change the picture mode to game. Now, if we go down, you'll find auto low latency mode or LLM. Make sure it's turned on so that you can get the least input lag possible. There's another settings that most of the people miss. You'll need to go to advanced settings, go all the way to the bottom of the list, and you'll find HDMI input mode. Make sure to select the Mode 2 or HDMI 2.0, which is far better when it comes to data transfer. But we're not done yet. We still need to enable 4K 120 FPS from our Xbox settings. So open up Settings, then from the General tab, go to TV and Display Options. And here, if your TV is 4K but you don't see the 4K option listed, then you'll need to go to Video Modes and select Allow 4K. In case you get this error saying 4K won't work, don't worry, I've got you covered. Open the Video Fidelity and Overscan settings and check if you have selected HDMI Override. If you did, change it back to Auto Detect. You can also choose the color depth to 36 bits for more vivid color. Now you should be able to go to Video Modes and choose Allow 4K. Select Keep, and you can see here we can also enable HDR10 and Dolby Vision because our TV supports it. So enable any of the settings that your TV allows you to. We're going to also turn on LLM. Now that you're all spec'd up, we can go back and actually bump our resolution to 4K UHD. Select Keep, and you may have noticed after enabling 4K, 120 FPS goes away. So there's a trade-off. I'm gonna go with 4K 60 FPS, as not many games support 120 FPS in the first place. I suggest you do the same. The last thing I'll recommend you doing is go ahead, go to your TV's picture settings, and adjust these values according to the slides. It's pretty self-explanatory, so you should be able to do it by yourself. When you're done calibrating your TV, you should also go ahead and calibrate HDR for games. Press Next, and then you'll need to use your controller's left thumbstick and move left to right and match the picture. There you go, you have done everything correctly. Now you'll get super performance from your Xbox on your Toshiba Fire TV, and your gaming experience will be better than everyone else. That's all, hope you found this useful, game on!